husband or your child? You would say, RJ, because RJ cannot live by himself without me. While my husband, he knows how to survive. He has his friends. He has his own work. But RJ, poor RJ, if he's alone. But then remember, you cannot say only RJ. That's normal for a mother to love the child.
'Cause I wanna see it whenever I close my eyes. If I write it down and hold it close.
Happy birthday, RJ! Thank you, Jill, JP, Ervin, Ergel. Thank you.
Happy birthday, RJ! More birthday to come, good health and long life.
Tell me it will always be like this. Promise that you won't let me forget. Into the morning, chasing the light, sure as the day turns into night. Tell me it will always be like this.
Do the little things at home. Children, remember, teenagers, I want to be free. But do your ordinary duties at home, and this will prepare you for the future. So these are the little things that we can do to prepare our life for the future. And this is the way we show our love for the Lord. By doing what the Lord would like us to do. As children, be obedient to your parents. As parents, love each other.
Know that I'll keep us steady no matter the road we're on. We've got everything.
Basta lumaki ka lang mabuting anak at saka good health, and I love you so much, kayong tatlo. I love you. Palagi ko sinasabi sa mga anak ko na lumaki sila ng mabuting tao at kinakaya naman ni Mama at Papa lahat.
Tell me it will always be like this. Promise that you won't let me forget. Into the morning, chasing the light, sure as the day turns into night. Tell me it.
Happy birthday, RJ! Happy first birthday and happy baptism. Welcome to Christian World, anak.
Just like